Hello, my name is Mark Ledford, and I'll be showing you the 10 pictures I took today for my project. First, I have this is the first ISO that I took. This is the next one. Wait a second. Oh. As you can tell, the way how the light goes. Here's the third one. The greater the ISO becomes, the lighter it gets. Next, we have a shutter. This is my shutter. My first shutter, second shutter, and third shutter. There was really no significant darkness, nor light. Next, we have aperture. This is the first aperture, second aperture, and third aperture. After that, we have what they call the final.